guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to do a haul video. I got some makeup recently, and of course it's going to be in my upcoming makeup videos just like this. I recorded this look today using some of these new products, and as I tell you what products I have, I'll tell you what products I use. Also have a makeup tutorial coming right after this video, actually not today, but like the next video is going to be this makeup look recorded. So I'm going to show you some of the products that I got and some of the products that I use. I've just been shopping recently. I got a lot of makeup. I got I wouldn't say a lot of makeup, but I got a decent amount of makeup just sitting here in front of me that I've just been like collecting for the last like week or 2 weeks. And then I recently went shopping the other day and got a few new clothing items, so I was like, why not share with you guys? I love these videos, so why not put out these videos? So we're gonna start with makeup, and with makeup I just put my skincare routine products in my makeup section when I do my hauls. So I recently bought this Pond's moisturizer. My skin has been doing like ridiculously bad lately. I live in Chicago, and if y'all know, we just had that like polar vortex thingy, and they said it was like colder in Antarctica here. It's definitely showing in my skin, and it's not just me. The people around me have been telling me like, yo, my skin's been dry too. Like, it's not just me. My lips and my skin have been like terrible. So I was like, the moisturizers that I was using just wasn't working for me. So I was like, you know what, I need to find something. And I used to use this in high school, and this is just a thick, really thick, heavy cream, but it doesn't clog your pores. Like, I feel like when I use thick cream moisturizers, they kind of feel like they got a greasy feel to it, and I feel like they clog my pores. This is the only one I feel like it actually soaks into my face. The thing about this is it only lasts me for about 6 to 8 hours. It lasts on my face until my face starts feeling dry again. That makes me feel comfortable because I know it's not a greasy thing sitting on my face. It's actually soaking into my face throughout the day, moisturizing my skin, and it does not last that long. Like, 8 hours is a good amount of time like for a moisturizer to last, but by the time I have this on for 6 to 8 hours, my face usually does start itching around my problems areas again, meaning it like re-dried out. So I don't know, even though it doesn't last me like 24 hours, I still love this stuff because I know it works and I know it's working. It's like an old faithful product of mine, so I decided to repurchase it. And this does come in a bigger size. I got it from the dollar store, and they have a really big one that's like this big, and I had the big one when I was younger. So the next product that I have for my haul is I have the Fenty concealer and the Fenty powder. I'm so excited about this. I was going to do a video review, but I felt like it was like that has passed. But yes, I love this stuff. I don't know, it's just, I've had this powder, I don't remember how much they cost. I have the concealer in the color 310, and I have the powder in the color banana. I do love these. I do feel like if I will, because I have already used it a fair amount of time to tell you what I think about it. I feel like the concealer is not like beginner friendly. I feel like it creases really quickly, and once you blend out the creases in this concealer, the concealer is flawless. It looks nice. The coverage is great. I like this concealer, but I feel like initially upon like application, it creases really quickly, and I feel like that's not beginner friendly. I knew what to do because I like makeup and I know makeup, but people are buying this product because of the hype, and I feel like beginners are buying this. People who don't really do makeup are buying products, and if they don't know what to do as far as fixing this could look bad on them. And also with the powder as well, I feel like the powder is really drying. It really clings to my dry spots, and with me having this dry problem, I've used other products. I've used my Laura Mercier, I've used my banana powder, and they haven't clinged to my dry spots. This is the only powder that has clinged to my dry spots. And also I talked to my cousin about it because I have like, my cousin is like the person in my life who we both love makeup together. She has it as well, and when I told her I kind of feel like the powder is a little bit drying, she was like, I thought I was the only one. So I'm like, it's not just me. So I don't get me wrong, just like the concealer, once you blend this out and you get the creases out and you set it, it's beautiful, it's flawless, it lasts long, the coverage is good, it's a nice finish, it's just nice. But it's just that application process and that application problem that I don't like. Also with the powder, it clings to my dry spots, but once I set my face with a setting spray, it looks flawless, it looks great, it settles in, it looks nice. But initially it clings to my dry spots really bad, and like I said, beginners are not going to know what to do when they go through that, and they're just gonna be looking like, imagine this being creased and dry at the same time. With all that being said, I would definitely repurchase both of these products because if you know how to work with them and you fix the problem, they're flawless. I have the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation, and I'm so excited about this. I love Wet n Wild. I have the Photo Focus concealer, which I think is really nice. Somebody I think compared it to Tarte Shape Tape. I wouldn't compare it to that, but I do think for it to be Wet n Wild, it is a really good concealer. Also, I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Liquid Foundation, which I love. I have it in like 2 different colors just so I can make sure I can wear it in the winter and the summer. I love it that much, so I'm really excited about the Photo Focus Stick Foundation. Also, if you watched my last makeup video, you know I recently just tried stick foundation, the L'Oreal Infallible Stick Foundation, for the first time, and I love the way it looks. Stick foundation, I like it. I use stick foundation as a cream contour, and I feel like my cream contour is snatched, so I just feel like stick foundation is popping. I'm really excited to use this in the future. So another Wet n Wild product I recently picked up was this Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder. Oh my god, y'all, I have it on today. And okay, let's just get into it. Like, I don't like to be like rushing saying stuff, but also another thing I picked up too was this NYX Away We Glow liquid highlighter. I picked up both of these. This is both of them together. I have the liquid highlighter underneath, and then I have the powder highlighter on top. They are amazing. Like, let me show you this liquid highlighter. Let me just show you. I'm pretty sure you've already seen it, but I want to show you for myself in case you haven't. It's liquid gold. I wish my tears looked like that. And look at it. It looks wet. It looks like wet. Like when I move, wherever it's placed, the light just hit it. Like it just hit it. It's so fire. And with this on top, it just set it off. Like it set it off. Let me show you. This is how bright it is. This cap is black. And look at how bright that is. I pick some up, and then this is my hand. Ooh. Yes. So next I got two facial sponges. They are dirty because I use them, obviously. Didn't use them in this look, but I did use them. This is a Sonia Kashuk sponge, which gets bigger than this, and this sponge is so great. This is also a Sonia Kashuk sponge, but this is the body sponge, and I've always wanted the Real Technique body sponge, but I could never find it anywhere. Like, I know where to get it, but whenever I went there, it was never there. So I finally seen something like this, and this one I think to me is a better idea because it kind of looks like a beauty blender to me, and I love the shape of the beauty blender. And they are a sturdier sponge, but I don't know, like, I remember when everybody else tried to copy the beauty blender thing, and it was just like the sponges were hard and like not good. These are like a little firmer and harder, but they're still good. Like, and this sponge, literally my favorite. Like, I love this sponge. So moving on, I got a e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, which I'm really excited about. I feel like my lights just got really bright out of nowhere, which is annoying. I hope I don't look flush and washed out. This is what the e.l.f. palette looks like. It looks so pretty. There you go. The lights changed, but it looks so pretty. Like, I have swatched this, and I feel like these colors do come off a little bit powdery, but I feel like I can make it work. I don't know. Like, when I think about e.l.f., I think about BH Cosmetics. Not really, but that's just the mindset, the train of thought that goes with it. But BH Cosmetics shadows are really, 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 really good. Like, they are good shadows. They actually, you can create a bomb look with it. These I haven't really done much, but when I was just like working with the blue for a look, I don't know, like I was halfway done my makeup and I started working with the blue, and alone working with this like chalky powdery blue kind of annoyed me, and I just was like, I don't even feel like finishing doing my face because I feel like it's too patchy. It was just annoying. So I'm gonna try to do a look with this in a future video, but so far I haven't really cared for it. I picked it up because this palette, just looking at it at first glance, this palette is nice, it's cute, it's some pretty colors in here, and I just was like, ooh, e.l.f., this looks good. The packaging is what drove me in. But the product so far, what I've tried, I really don't care for too much. It's just really chalky to me. So the next eye products I have are these LA Color Ice Pigment Powders. And these are so freaking pretty. Like, I cannot wait to do a look with these. Like, come on. The packaging, I'm gonna be honest, the packaging is what drew me in, but I did swatch the colors, and I just cannot wait. Like, this color alone, I want to do a look that, like a Cardi B inspired look that I want to do, and it looks like it requires this exact color, and I just cannot wait to try it. I think that's a pretty shade for $1. And I was thinking about doing a really pretty peanut butter and jelly look with these two. I just think that would be like a, you know how you do the eyeshadow look that have one eye is one color, completely one color, and one eye is a different color? I was thinking about a peanut butter and jelly look would be really like cute with these two. So I recently picked up an eye pencil. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I literally love this pencil. It's my favorite eyebrow pencil. I added it in my haul because it's like, this is something I really don't have to add in my haul because I'm gonna always repurchase this when I run out. At the same time, I added it in my haul because it's my favorite pencil, and I wanted to let y'all know this is literally my favorite brow pencil. I have it in the color Black Meteor. I have thicker brows, and this is a very buildable product. You can literally make this as sheer as you want it or as dark as you want it. So this is black that I have in, but at the same time, you see it doesn't look like Sharpie brow. So it's just about your hand. Also, I recently picked up some lip liners from Forever 21. These are super, super pretty. No matter what color lip I'm going for, I always grab for a brown lip liner, and it always looks pretty, but I feel like I need to go in a different direction. So I was like, let me pick up at least something a little bit close to brown and in my lip color zone, and something natural. And I love these. So just trying these colors made me want to branch out and really get into lip liners. This is what this one looks like. So pretty to me. That's so pretty. Like, oh my god. Even if I wanted to just toss this on. And these are low-key like on some my lip but better type of thing. And I did use them for this. I didn't use this one. I used this mauve one for this lip color, and then I put Kylie Jenner's Dulce K on top. So I got some brushes recently. My friend Cassie bought me some brushes for my birthday. Cassie is actually the one who bought me this. She bought me these two things as a happy belated birthday gift, and bruh, I'm so excited about this. And she got me these BH Cosmetics brushes. It came with the bag, which I love, and Look at the brushes. Like, the brushes are so pretty. To achieve 90% of this makeup look, I use these brushes. So I'm like, y'all, these brushes are really, really good. They're pretty too. I love them. Like, they're gorgeous. And I'm probably gonna be, this is gonna be like my favorite makeup brush set to take with me, because this is probably all I need in a beauty blender, and I'm good to go. Like, if I was going away somewhere. And it's, look at that. So I got a bunch of lashes, and my favorite lash right now is this lash right here. This is the lash Miss Express Lash. This is the style M102B. It's actually the lash I have on now. Can you see? Lash I have on now. Lash I have on now. I love these lashes. They're so pretty. They're long. I'm really starting to get into my lashes, because I feel like I realized with me exploring my makeup creativity that a lash can make or break a look. And I used to just wear basic demi wispies, and I would still look pretty, but a demi wispy ain't got nothing on these, okay? And these are $3.99. You can get them. I got mine off of eBay, but you can also get them off of a website called Shop Miss A. If I can find them below, I will, if I can find it, I will link it below. And then I have 3 more pairs, and because I didn't have these and I couldn't find these, because when I originally bought these, the first pair that made me fall in love with this lash was in Philadelphia, and I found a lash very similar to it, and I think these are low-key the same. It's just a different brand, same lash type. So I picked these up, and I picked up 2 pairs of these because I was like, look, that's my favorite style of lash right now, and until I get my hand back on the original lash, I found something that was just like it, and it's 100% the same. One thing I will say is that I do like the Miss Express Lash brand more, because they're more sturdy and they're more like, the band is thicker, the hairs are thicker and like just stronger. And then Courtney, recently I was sad, so my fiance, she was at the hair store, because y'all know she does my hair, she's a hairstylist, so she's always at the beauty supply store getting supplies. She picked me up some lashes, and I love these lashes. These lashes I'm a little nervous about, because I like lashes that are more like bomb, but these aren't as bomb as what I'm used to, but they're still cute, and I can get a good look out of these. And then these ones are exactly the same, but it's just one pair is longer than the other. This pair is longer than this pair, but they're the same kind of lash. That's all the makeup and stuff that I got, guys. You got a few things, you know what I'm saying? A few things. So those are the few things that I got, and we're gonna move on to the clothing portion of this haul. So the first thing I have is this sweater right here. This is from Forever 21. It's like a crew neck. I did get it oversized, if you're wondering that. I don't have no bra on, y'all. I'm sorry. It's so cute, and this actually stops really low. It stops like underneath my boobs, so it's really a nice shirt. Like, it looked like some chill day stuff, but it can be sexy real quick. I love green. Green is just my favorite color all around. It's a really cute sweater, and it was only $7 from Forever 21. I got it in a size medium, and I'm so shook by myself. Like, I don't know if the camera shows my weight loss the way I have been losing weight, but a chick is in a size medium. Like, I've been wearing a size extra large for like a year and a half. Then I moved down to a large, which I really didn't appreciate or pay attention to. I just did. And you know how you do something like, oh, I can't fit this shirt, let me get a smaller size. But I didn't appreciate the fact that I got a smaller size. Now I'm buying stuff in a size medium, and I'm looking cute. Like, I was like, what? I don't like to be looking like a busted candy biscuit. The shirt I have on is actually a part of this haul as well. I don't have no bra on, so excuse me. This shirt is it's a little tight. I feel like it looks cute. If it doesn't, I feel like it looks tight, but it's not tight. Like, this shirt, you know how a shirt is tight and you can feel it. This shirt is not how it looks. It's just that my boobs are causing this part to like sit up and stay up, so it looks a little stupid. But when I wear it right, the shirt fits. It's just, I'm not used to wearing female shirts. I've been wearing male shirts since I was like bigger. I didn't feel comfortable in female shirts, so this is like my first female shirt in like 2-3 years. So it does fit a little weird, but it fits. Like, you see, it's not like on my arms, it just fits perfect, and I like the way it fits comfortably. It's cute, I like it, but I don't know, I'd be like, is this too small? But this shirt is from Forever 21 as well, and it's a large. It was $9.90. So the next shirt that I have is a shirt, I actually wore this in my makeup video. I wore it earlier today, so if it looks a little dusty and a little dingy, it's because I did wear it earlier in a video, so I was moving in it. But this is so cute to me. This is like this is a crop top. You can tell it's cropped, and it comes with the hoodie. It's just I love it. I'm stuttering. I can't even talk. I love it. It's so cute. It's good quality. It's from this is from Forever 21. So I gotta find the receipt to this too. Can't find the receipt. Where is the receipt? Oh, this was also $7. The receipt is right here. This was originally $19.90. This is also in a size medium, and it fits me very well to me. The next shirt is also dingy because I wore it yesterday. I bought these clothes like a couple days ago, but I wore it yesterday because yesterday I had to go. It was just a cute shirt. This is just a real chill shirt. It's a little dingy. I got it from Target. It's by the brand Wild Fable, and the price of this shirt was $8.40. Another shirt that I recently got is this. This is from H&M. This was $9.99, and this is, oh, that's super bright on camera. It was $9.99 from H&M, and it's in the size large, and this is just a little sweatshirt. It's super cute. It fits like a regular sweatshirt, not a crop top. It falls right underneath my stomach, perfectly above my butt. It's just a cute fit, and it's yellow. I've been really into yellow lately. Like, this is yellow, this is yellow. I just been loving yellow stuff. Like, yellow, I just feel like, I don't know, like, I like yellow. The first pair of jeans I have are from H&M. Both of them are from H&M. This pair of jeans was $30. I have them in the size 10. They were $29.99 from H&M. I love them. Look at them. They're cute. And they're a full-size length jean. But what I like is usually when you see jeans with a bottom like this, they stop a lot of, like, a cute distance above your ankle. But this jean is ripped up at the bottom and it stops regularly at my ankle. Like, it's a regular long pair of jeans on me. And I thought that was really cute. This would be cute with what I have on today. Like, the outfit I have on today, because these are not high waist, they're mid-rise. So they come right at my belly button. And I like them. They're super cute. They make my booty look good. You feel me? Next pair of jeans I got is also from H&M, and these were $19.99. I got these in a size 14, but they definitely run small because look at them. Y'all can see them. These jeans are not no 14. Like, not to say 14 is big, but I don't wear no 14. I wear a 10, 12 in jeans. So these definitely run small, and they are the super skinny ones. So super skinny high waist. So I know they run small. When I think about a 100% perfect wash of denim, it's this color. Like, you can get denim in all different colors, but when I think about denim, original denim color, I think of this color, and I don't have a pair of jeans this color, so I'm really excited about these. And the last thing I got for my haul is a pair of shoes. Y'all know we going into spring, so my baby mama, my fiance Courtney, she recently picked me up some black and white Chucks, and I feel like everybody has that essential spring sneaker, and I feel like I'm 25, so I'm a 1993 baby, and I feel like the time limit that I grew up in, a Chuck was an essential spring summertime shoe to just throw on. And I haven't had a pair of Chucks in a really long time. I got mine in a size 8. I think they were $55, and I also think that's crazy. I know times are changing and things are always going to get pricier, but I remember when I was in high school, Chucks were $35. But yes, I'm so excited. These are going to be my throw-on shoes. This is, like, imagine this cute shirt. Imagine everything I have on right here, right? These with just some jeans, or even my other wash of jeans that I just had. This would be such a cute outfit. Chucks are just, for me, Chucks are an essential. Like, you can either do Chucks or Vans. I do have a newfound love for Vans. I do want to get the regular black and whites, but I just feel like I'm gonna let that wave go away. It was last summer, so hopefully this summer everybody's over it and I can be wearing my Vans by myself, because I do think it was cute. I just don't want to be I don't want to be a clone. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. I filmed 2 videos today. I filmed this makeup look using some of these products, and I also filmed this video. So I'm so excited. I got some stuff done, and I'm thinking about actually recording. I already recorded my basic skincare routine, which should already be up. I'm actually going to be uploading that tonight, so it should definitely already be up. But that's just my everyday skincare routine. I want to do a more in-depth skincare routine, but I do think I'm going to do a get unready with me video for this face today. But that's not going to be my in-depth skincare routine. That's just going to be a get unready with me video. But I do want to do a pamper skincare routine, because you have your everyday skincare routine, which you just wash your face and do what you do every day when you just going somewhere, going to work, whatever. But then you have that skincare routine you maybe do once or twice a week when you have time, and you might wear a mask and do an extra bunch of stuff. And I want to do that skincare routine for you guys as well. But guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. Hopefully you get to stay tuned for my next few videos, seeing me use these products, and maybe even some fashion videos showing me styling some of these clothes. I do like fashion as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.